this world will take a lot of shit from you, man. It'll take your innocence. It'll take your fucking everything, really. And it's easy to slip down the drug road because drugs provide what they provide. But if you're on a mission to get clean and get sober, then that's what matters, man. It's not easy, and it's definitely a road you're gonna walk all by yourself. But I hope you find your way out of the darkness. I did. I was one of the lucky ones. So if I can use my experience to help others, then that's what I'm gonna do because that's what's right. So if you're on your recovery journey and you need a helping hand or just someone to talk to and someone to listen, hit me up, man, because I've been there and I know exactly what it's like. So if I can use my experience to help others, that's what I